My dear learners friend, how are you? I hope you are all well. My name is Hasanujaman, English teacher, Professor Nisa and Haji Niyamatullah High School, Muslimpur, Bharamara. Last class, we have learned how to change a single narration from direct to indirect. Today, we will learn how to change a passage narration from direct to indirect. Passage narration class 9, 10. This is direct speech. To do indirect, you should read out the passage carefully and find out speaker and listener. Here speaker the teacher and listener the boy. Say reporting verb. Reporting verb will be changed according to the sentence of the reported speech. The teacher says to be asked. To is not used after asked. The boy. If instead of comma, if the sentence is interrogative. Interrogative sentence says to be asked. Subject you, second person will be changed according to the object of the reporting verb. The boy pronoun he. Will write first letter if those person are noun. Reported space, tense of the reported space will be changed according to the tense of the reporting verb. The reporting verb passed from reported space present indefinite changed to be past indefinite. He knew that honesty is the best policy. This part is universal truth. Tense of the universal truth is not the same. Honesty is the best policy. Full stop. Next part, the boy said, "Yes, sir, I think so." There is a yes in the reported space. Instead of yes, replied in the affirmative. The boy replied in the affirmative. Instead of sir, respect or respectfully. Respect with respect or respectfully. Respectfully. The boy replied in the affirmative respectfully. There is a more space of the speaker. We will use another reporting verb for every speech. If the sentence is assertive, reporting verb we will use added, further added, also said, again said, and added that instead of comma. If the sentence is assertive, that subject I, first person tense, first of the reporting space will be changed according to the subject of the reporting verb. The boy, pronoun he, present indefinite changed to be past indefinite. Third. So, full stop. Next part, then learn to be honest from your boyhood, said the teacher. There is a speaker, end of the sentence. The speaker, end of the sentence, said the teacher. We will write it at the first of the sentence. This is then learn to be honest from your boyhood. This is imperative sentence. The teacher. The sentence express advice. Instead of said, advice. Two. Instead of comma, two. The teacher then adverb, then advice instead of comma, two. Verb, learn to be honest from second person will be changed according to the object of the reporting verb. Teacher, honest, your subject, the teacher, object, the boy, his, your possessive, he possessive, his boyhood, his, bracket, being, bracket, in the bracket being boyhood. Next part, thank you sir, said the boy. Thank you sir. There is a thank in the reported space. Instead of say thank or thank, the boy thank. Second person will be said according to the object. The boy thanked him, to the teacher. T. Sir, instead of sir, respectfully. Next part, may Allah grant you a long life, said the teacher. This is operative sentence. The teacher, operative sentence, said instead of said, wished or pray. Wished, that instead of comma, that is the sentence is operative. That subject Allah grant you him a long life. Okay, student, I will give a homework. The old man said, can you give me some food? I I have starving for 3 days. The maid said, why do you beg? Can you work? No, I am unable to work. Said the old man. Student, you will try to do at home. Going back, I will advise you during this dangerous situation of COVID-19, you will stay at home, stay save your family. Don't go out without any other need. And if you go out with any need, you will wear your mask. And going back, wash your hand for 20 seconds. Goodbye. Wish you good luck. Thank you.